Hey campers, Jordan here at Rich & Sons. Hey, if I told you there is a 25-foot camper that you can fit 3 queen beds in it, you'd call me crazy, right? Well, you'd be wrong, because as of now, one of the new model lines we're carrying is the Rockwood Roo. This camper is 25 feet 10 inches from bumper to hitch, and this has 3 queen beds in it. The way we do that is a little unique, so come inside and I'll show you how it works. So guys, here we are inside the Rockwood Roo 233S. And as you can see, this camper is a little unique. We do have your standard slide out here on the side, which has the big U-dinette for seating for everybody you need. But we have right here the first of 3 full queen beds in what is a pop out from the side of the camper. Now it's still fiberglass sided, but you have these 3 sections that actually fold out from the side of the camper and create all of this additional space. So you see you've got this handy little light up here. You've got the zippers that open up and give you more view of the campsite, let some cool breeze through. You've got this awesome couch here that will fold out into a bed as well. Where are the other 2 beds? Well, I'm glad you asked. They're right back here. So you'll see you have one here over to my left, and if you come around me, the other one's tucked right back there in the corner. For the most sleeping you can get in a camper this size, guys, there's no question to it. And of course, you've got all the other amenities that you would usually expect. You've got a 12 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. You've got microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven, stainless undermount sink, and of course your full suite of entertainment options like your TV here. And guys, it wouldn't be a camper in 2023 without being prepped for solar and being prepped for Wi-Fi as well. So everything's there all ready to go, guys. This one's a particularly unique piece to us. We're glad to carry it. Again, it's the Rockwood Roo 233S. If you want to see a little bit more, come down. We've got our show starting here January 12th. It's going to run through the 21st. Just ask for Jordan. I'm happy to show you around.